wanted to get raised beds for our back garden so we could start to grow a few things. Just some herbs, salad greens, carrots, easy stuff the kids could help plant and actually see growing. But we have 2 young girls, we're busy, we both work, and we have 0 gardening experience. So we wanted something that would be easy to assemble, delivered to our doorstep, and ideally that would last forever. When we started to look at what was out there, nothing like that existed. They were either these heavy wooden frames that would take forever to assemble and then rot within a few years, or these industrial-looking corrugated steel planters that didn't suit the look we were going for in our garden. I remember saying to Brian, "You work with aluminium every day. Surely there has to be a better option." Lucky for us, there was.
I've spent a lot of my life around aluminium extrusion manufacturing. Aluminium is a remarkable material. It's lightweight, it's corrosion proof, it's incredibly precise to manufacture, and it's used in almost everything from automobiles and aerospace to architecture. And yet it really just hasn't been brought into the garden in a way that's both beautiful as well as accessible. So I designed our raised bed prototype. It's a customizable system of aluminium extrusion in wood effect finishes. So it looks like wood, but behaves like metal. In flat packs, it requires no maintenance and it'll assemble in 5 minutes with just an Allen key. It's designed and manufactured here in Ireland. No rot, no rust, guaranteed to last for at least 30 years. And Naomi thought, if we're looking for something like this, then other people might be too. So here we are.
We called it Mia,
Made in aluminium.
and it's a raised bed for life.